Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. Today we are discussing an important issue, and that is the recent phishing attack on OpenSea, the world's largest NFT marketplace. The world's largest marketplace for digital collectibles dropped significantly since the phishing attack. The traders lose as much as estimated $3 million. Trading in non-fungible tokens has plummeted more than 70% in the last 4 days, according to the data provider DAP Radar, falling from 70,100 transactions prior to the attack to as low as 19,400 on Sunday. An unidentified hacker, nobody knows who is the hacker, stole 254 tokens from OpenSea users by sending a malicious email asking to transfer their assets to a new contract. I guess this is the most common way of phishing attack, right? Someone will send you email and asking for money, asking for to send you 1 Bitcoin to them, and then in return they will gonna send you 10 Bitcoins. This is all bullshit. Do not fall for these kind of emails or DMs, and that's my personal opinion. Again, this is a highly recommended. Do not fall for these kind of activities. As per the OpenSea Chief Executive Officer, valued the total amount stolen at 1.7 million on Sunday, but the researcher and market have been valuing the pile at anywhere between 2 million to 3 million. Among the stolen NFTs included the 4 Bored Apes. I repeat, 4 Bored Apes, 3 of which were later sold on rival platform Looks Rare for combined $667,000. So you can imagine these Bored Apes are so expensive that that someone was able to rob them and then sell them at another platform called Looks Rare for a combined value at $667,000, right? According to the data from blockchain security service PaxShield, the daily volume of NFTs being traded fell similarly over the same period, dropping from $77.6 million before this robbery to $9.8 million on Sunday. Meanwhile, the OpenSea daily user base slid from 39,000 on Feb 18 to just 10,400 on Monday. And since this attack, the attacker's crypto wallet has gone quiet since the robbery, right? The theft, with no transaction activities spotted in the last 24 hours. So since this attack, phishing attack or robbery or a haste, the attacker, there has been no activity whatsoever since this phishing attack in past 24 hours of that attack. So my friends, it is really crucial to keep your digital assets, cryptocurrencies, your digital assets, your Bitcoin, Ethereum, your NFTs, to keep them safe, right? So you can follow some certain best practices that will help you. I think the article from this website summarizes, the necessary steps that one can follow to keep their assets safe. Ensure you have verified links before clicking them. Never click on a random or broken links sent to you by unknown sources. Never share your screen. When you're minting, before minting anything, make sure to check the contract addresses, which should specify the NFT was minted. If it's been verified on OpenSea, it should be legit, right? If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Never share your seeds, right? Your recovery phrase with anybody, That's really important thing, right? That you need to keep in your mind. Keep your seed phrase away from your phone and computer. Store it offline in cold storage, meaning you can keep your phrases on a hardware wallet or cold storage or lockers or whatever that works for you. Multiple copies in a safe place, right? Always confirm you are minting on a verified website. Do not mint on a random unknown website, unverified websites. So it's really important because these phishing attacks happens from these unverified sources in most often cases, right? For many, it's easier and safer to turn off the Discord DMs, right? For many, right? So it is easier and safer to turn off the Discord DMs, right, completely, due to bots and scammers abusing them. I think it's simply bookmark the verified sites like OpenSea. It helps prevent the landing on fake pages. Ask trusted friends questions. Turn to official teams for answers, and don't be afraid to ask questions that prioritize your safety and security. Use 2FA, two-factor authentication, an extra layer of security. Use strong and unique password, right? A mix of alphanumeric and small caps, up caps, right? That's something that no one can guess or remember, right? It is wise to use different passwords every time you create your accounts. Use a hardware wallet such as Ledger or Trezor, right? You know, these cold wallets are offline, they are not connected to the internet, so nobody can access it other than you through the private keys. And at last, right, do your own research before you do anything in the NFT world. Make sure you do your research on the collections, right, the sellers and the contract and the link and the other details, right? These are some of the key you know, important and some key ways to keep your assets safe. I've been following not most of them, but again, you know, the important ones like 2FA, the cold storage, the hardware wallet, and so on. Not sharing your seeds and phrases and passwords, right? Keeping them on multiple places and so on. So, you know, it's really important that you keep vigilant, right, in the NFT space, right? Because NFT is still growing, it's just still very initial phases, right? Still long way to go. So again, it's not a financial advice. Make sure you know you are following the best practices, right? I just walked through, and you know, keep your digital assets safe. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button for YouTube algorithm, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.